Hello everybody, I'm Luke Arnold and I'm the Director of Recruitment Services at Dental Elite, and I'm going to show you some tips today on how to attend a dental interview. Right, great news, you got an interview. Now you need to prepare for the interview. One of the most important things is to get the research right. The more you put into the research and preparation, the better result you will get from the interview. Now, preparation for the interview can be done by using the website of the dental practice. Nip onto there and have a look at the type of treatments which they provide to their patients. Have a look and read the news articles and any blogs that may be on there. And another key one is to have a look at the meet the team, see how many dentists they have, who the principal is, and any specialists that may be at the practice. Preparation for your journey is very important. Make sure you are trying to get there 10 minutes early. This will allow you to prepare yourself and get your head in the right place, and you're not all flustered by thinking that you're going to be late for the interview. So prepare to be there 10 minutes early. During the interview, 3 key points to remember. Relax, stay on topic, and sell yourself. Now, the more relaxed you are, the better. That you're going to come across very natural. And to do this, a good technique is actually to take a quick breath in before and give yourself a moment to actually think about your answer. This will help you. Stay on topic. The questions that you're being asked are there for a reason, and they're looking for answers to those questions. So try not to steer away. Keep on topic as best you can. The interviewer is going to appreciate that. Thirdly, the most important is sell yourself. This is your opportunity. You are in front of the buyer now. Now you need to talk about yourself, your skill set, your experience, and what you can bring to that business. And all in all, why they should actually take you on. This is where you're going to actually win that new job. Questions to prepare for in an interview. The most common question is, tell me about yourself. Now, this question, the interviewer is not looking for the actual answer. It's more on the kind of energy that you are giving in the answer, the motivation, and they're trying to figure out whether you will be the right fit for their current practice and their current team. So talk about yourself. For example, you may be a dentist. Tell them that I've been doing 7,000 UDAs. I've been working very nicely for the last 3 years. I have a great relationship with my dental nurse. I have a good skill of settling nervous patients, and that I have a special interest in the future to go into orthodontics if that's the case. The more that you can tell them about yourself and sell yourself, the better. Another question is, why are you currently looking for a new position? Now, try and avoid the answer all about money. What they want to be hearing is that you are seeking a new challenge, or the practice has you can no longer progress with that practice, and you're looking for another practice, an environment that you can continue your development in. These are the kind of answers that the interviewer is looking for. Another question that you may be asked in the interview is, what is your current notice period? Prepare yourself for this one. Have a look at your employment contract and see exactly what it would be. This is something that they take into consideration when making an offer of employment to somebody. Also in there, if you are a dentist, there may be covenants in there which you need to know about, and this is at this point the interview is where you actually share those details. Right, be prepared to ask questions. You will always be asked, do you have any questions for us? Now, it's very important that you do have questions for them, so prepare yourself. Now, these questions could be something like, where do you see the practice going in the next 2 or 3 years? Or what sort of equipment do you have in the practice? Or what's the background of people that currently work within the dental practice? These are good questions to ask. They show that you are genuinely interested in the practice and how you can actually fit in with their current team. 3 things to remember is 1, turn your phone off. Don't just put it on vibrate. They will hear it when it's going off in your pocket. It's a distraction to you and it's a distraction to them. Don't overly criticise present and past employers where possible. And thirdly, follow up with an email to them the next day, thanking them for their time in the interview. This is a really important one and not many people do it. It's a very nice thing to receive and it doesn't take much effort to do. So I wish you the best of luck. Relax, be confident.